I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to insert and play personal videos in a Google Slides presentation. Step 1. The first thing you'll want to do is load the video you want to insert into your Google Slides presentation into your Google Drive account. You can do this by navigating to drive.google.com in a web browser. Click to select My Drive on the left side of this window. Navigate to the folder where you want to put the video you want to insert into your Google Slides presentation, and then drag your video file into that folder. Step 2. Open the Google Slides presentation you want to insert your personal video into, and then navigate to the specific slide where you want to insert the video. Step 3. Click Insert in the row of options along the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Video in this menu. The Insert Video window opens. Step 4. Make sure Google Drive is selected. Navigate to the Google Drive folder where your video is located. Click to select the video you want to insert when you find it, and then click Insert. That window will close and you'll return to your Google Slides presentation where you'll see your personal video inserted. You may need to adjust your zoom level to make your full slide fit on the screen again. Step 5. Grab the handles around the sides of your video and use them to adjust the video size and change the location. After you get your video located where you want it, click to select it. You should see the Format Options menu on the right side of the screen. Step 6. Use the Format Options section to adjust video playback options. You can choose to make your personal video play on any click, play automatically, or you can choose to manually start it. You can also choose your personal video start and end time and a whole host of other options. You can preview how your video looks in your Google Slides presentation at any time by clicking Slideshow. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.